Have you ever looked at an old piece of clothing and thought, there's no way anyone can make that look good again? Only to see someone completely transform it into something you'd actually want to wear. I don't know about you, but that's one of my favorite things about upcycling. Just when you think a shirt has reached the end of its life, someone turns it into something so creative that you start looking at everything in your closet differently. And the funny thing is, after watching enough of these ideas, you may never look at a pair of old jeans or a worn out sweatshirt the same way again. Suddenly, you're standing in front of your closet thinking, wait, should I really donate that? Your family might even wonder why you're giving an old t-shirt such a thoughtful stare. Don't worry, we've all been there. I found today's ideas while browsing Pinterest, and I couldn't wait to share them with you because there are so many clever ways people are giving old clothes a second chance. If you'd like to see the original inspiration or save any of these ideas for later, there's a link in the description to the Pinterest board. As you're watching, I'd love for you to vote in the comments and tell me which transformation is your favorite. Once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. One of these projects reminded me of a story about upcycling clothes that started with a simple idea and very quickly turned into one of those moments where I wasn't sure whether to laugh, panic, or just walk away from the whole project. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let me tell you how it all began. That story started on a day when I was absolutely convinced I had ruined hours of work. I remember holding up the nearly finished project, feeling excited because everything had come together even better than I had imagined. And then I saw it. Right across the front was a tiny pale spot that definitely hadn't been there when I started. My heart sank. The more I looked at it, the more obvious it became, and suddenly it was the only thing I could see. What's funny is that if someone else had looked at it first, they probably wouldn't have noticed for several seconds. But once you know where a flaw is, your eyes seem to find it every single time. I set the project down, walked away for a while, and seriously considered giving up on it altogether. Looking back now, I probably spent more time staring at that little spot than I had actually creating parts of the project. The strange thing was that I couldn't even figure out how it got there. I hadn't used bleach, I hadn't spilled anything, and nothing else in my sewing area had a mark like it. My mind started racing through every possibility, wondering if I'd have to start over from the beginning after investing so much time into something that had been going so well. If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. After a few minutes of feeling frustrated, I finally took a deep breath, picked the project back up, and decided that before I gave up on it, I was going to try one completely different idea, even though I wasn't convinced it would work at all. Instead of trying to hide the spot, I started asking myself a different question. What if I made it look intentional? That one thought completely changed the direction of the project. I looked through my fabric scraps, lace, trims, and buttons, holding different pieces over the spot until something finally clicked. Rather than covering only the tiny mark, I created a design that spread across the front of the garment so the new detail looked like it had always been part of the original plan. By the time I finished, nobody would have guessed there had ever been a problem there in the first place. In fact, the new design added more balance, more personality, and more visual interest than my original idea ever would have. It ended up reminding me of one of my favorite lessons about creativity. Sometimes the project that seems to be falling apart is actually pointing you toward a better idea. That's one of the reasons I love sharing these Pinterest-inspired transformations. They remind us that creativity isn't about never making mistakes. It's about learning how to turn unexpected moments into opportunities for something even better. If today's ideas have sparked your imagination, I'd love to hear which one inspired you the most. And don't forget to vote in the comments for your favorite transformation. If you're looking for even more upcycling inspiration, be sure to check out my other makeover tutorials and creative project playlists after this video. I think you'll find plenty of ideas to keep your creativity going. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me, and I'll see you in the next video.